Hi guys, we are here with an iPhone X and we are going to fix it. It is stuck on the Apple sign, but no worries. We are awesome at what we do. So what we are currently watching is the removal of the bottom screws so that we can actually gain access into the phone so that we can actually fix this and resolve the problem. And you can see that he's being very careful as he gets into the phone. Alright, and then it's stuck on the logo. Alright, and there's the inside as you can see. So now what he's going to do is he's going to do the first step of safety whenever it comes to operating or dealing with any type of electronic device that we repair here in the store. He is going to remove that plate and unplug the battery. Thank goodness for magnetic screwdrivers. Make our jobs so much easier. And as you can see, he's moving that plate, and you can see all the different things that are actually plugged in right there, so he's got to be very sure on which one to grab. Alright, so he unplugged the battery, and he's going to plug it back in. And now we're going to check and see if maybe that did the trick. Alright, so it's currently dead as we can see right there, so we're going to plug it in and let it charge up so that we can turn that on and make sure that everything's working peachy keen.
Are you good? Good.
Alright guys, give us just 1 second here. Alright, so we're just going to let that charge up for a second. Shouldn't take it long at all. Alright, now if you guys remember, the original issue was the Apple sign, or the Apple logo just being stuck right there on the screen and it not going any further past that. So we're going to see if we resolve that issue. Alright,